Hi, I'm Jody.
Hi, I'm Zach, and you're watching Client Convos with Cresa, Albany. I was introduced to Ron from BST through a mutual friend. She was telling me about how they had this great culture. They had a ton of people. They were trying to recruit. They had this old office space that just didn't really fit the image of the organization and where they wanted to go. It was kind of this immediate, well, hey, we do that. It started with workplace solutions, tenant representation. That's helping find the location, negotiate the lease, and then design development, where you were able to come in and really take what you had learned in the beginning from the strategy aspect and incorporate it into the space.
What you're about to see is the client convo chat of the process that we went through. We had a great time discussing this with BST.
Early on when we talked, Ron, it was important for you to create a team or bring in a team that was representative of the entire firm, right? Not just the shareholders or the equity holders, but everybody.
I think having that variety of perspectives has served us very well, because we haven't always agreed on everything, and we've pushed back a little bit, trying to really rethink the office space and not just do what we do because that's what's normal. Now we have a large co-working area, which I think is going to be great. We came in wanting to have so much collaboration space.
One of the great things that came out of COVID was us realizing how important collaboration is. When we have people that are sitting at home, and collaboration is so hard. You have to, you have Zoom and Teams, but really just sitting in a room with somebody is so important.
We've been on a 30,000 square foot building, 3 10,000 square foot floors with 4 little kitchens. And I've been there a long time and never ate in the kitchen, never ate next to anybody in a kitchen. Now we're gonna have a cafeteria or a cafe. And just the social just on a normal basis. You don't have to be as intentional. Sometimes we're intentional now. I'll walk around the building to go say hi to people or just to carry on a conversation. Now it'll just happen because we're together and then we're in spaces that encourage that. Nia talked about collaboration space. There's tons of it.
It's intentional collaboration, and then it's that just water cooler talk, just seeing people, seeing faces, that is going to be so new to us, because we could go into our office and not see somebody for an entire day if we just sat in our workstation. But yeah, that spontaneous interaction that will come from the new space is going to be a game changer.